Yeah, today I'm going to install this GLB power side mirror. Yeah, this is a button, and this is the basic one. You can see the difference. There's one extra button to press, and the mirror will be full. Okay, and this is a two mirror, and this is a manual mirror. You have to fold the mirror by your hand like this. Okay. Yeah, we can see. Yes, here got one screw, right? This side also got one screw. Yeah, the screwdriver. Yeah, this one. Yeah, okay. Okay. We put in here, then go down to pull this side. Okay. And with the button. Yeah. Okay, you see the door panel is open. So we gradually use our hand to each corner. Right? Okay, so actually the door panel is out. Okay, you can see. Okay, remove this guy. Just pry and take it out. You can see this one. It's like it's a hooking inside, right? Okay, this shape. There's a small clip, so we put it aside. Okay, remove this guy, and we need to take out some connection to the door, right? Yeah, we remove these two T20 screw. Yeah, after loosen, this mirror will drop, so be careful. This is the cable from the mirror, which will give some like dimming or heating function. Okay, we remove it. Later we'll replace. Two door panels, I have removed all of them. Because this is a driver door, we have 3 connectors. Okay, and the passenger door got 2 connectors. Sorry, passenger door with 2 connectors. Okay, this is we need to remove 3 screws T20 over 1 here, 2 and a 3 over here. Okay, then the mirror will move a bit, then the mirror will loosen. Surely you need to disconnect the connector from the door module, and one is for the antenna, the GPS antenna. Okay, so now these two mirrors are taken down from the car, right? So we will remove the glass to mounting into the power mirror assembly. Yeah, and also replace this one in the door panel. Yeah, we have finished the mirror. Yeah, glass, the power mirror already done. So we need to mounting into this car. Okay. Yeah. Then we need this. We have 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So where are the screws? 1, 2, 3. 3 screws. Go inside. Go inside. Okay. Okay, then you plug all the connectors into the door module. Which one can go in, then goes to which one? This one goes to number 1. Okay, the other side. All the 3 screws are fastened. Okay, so this is the GPS antenna, must plug in. Then there's a holder over here, mount properly. Then we plug all the connectors. This should be here. Okay. Yeah, see? But this plug should be here. Yeah. Plug goes in, then the white color goes in. Okay. All fastened. Good. Then we need to put back all the door panels. Yeah, we remove this one. Okay. This is a basic one. This is a high speed one. You can see here got a extra button, right? Okay, plug in and put the cover in, then go inside. This way. Flush. Okay. This one, this light tiny hole. We need to go in reverse order. Just now we take it out. I think you still remember. Yeah, plug in. Sorry. Okay. Then pull the wire. Then this will go inside this socket. Okay, we have another 3 connector. Need to go inside the doors one by one. This is the one. This is one, and this is the last one. Okay, actually all the connectors are done, so we need to put back the door panel.